Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate partial sector access pension hard drive. So let's check we can see the beginning part is accessible, and let's see the middle part. Okay, so this is the middle part. Let's check. So the middle part is not accessible. So this is typically partial sector access issue. So let's try to import the ng list. Okay, select this one. So this is the current number of the ng list. And let's check the backup one. So this is the backup ng list. The backup ng list means there is no entry in the ng list. It's empty. So we can try to clear the ng list. Let's again, we can use this one. Now, success, wait for 0. And we can try to regenerate the translator. And this user is from Peru in the South America. Okay, now let's wait until the translator regeneration completes. Okay, so we can see the translator regeneration completes, and we need to check the ng list entries now. It's 0. Let's confirm the data arrow middle part, 1 and see if it's accessible. Before this operation, it was not accessible. Now let's see, it's accessible now. And let's check the ending part, 19. Let's see, 18. Okay, just some bad sectors. 193. Click modify and success. We can also try the partial repair here. This is auto repair. Because we just find out already over 90% data error has been accessible. So we can try here and see if there's something positive happens here. Let's see if the bad location is founded or not. To add to the transmitter. Now we can see we are using the auto partial repair solution, and the button location is added one by one. So there are just a few button locations here, and this one is very close to the max LBA. We can compare 195.352 and 5152. So let's just wait and see until this repair process completes.